Welcome to Art Book Nook. My name is Kay and I share and review my lovely collection of art and craft books. Today I'm going to review Creative Abstract Watercolor by Kate Rebecca Leach. I've actually reviewed this before and it was the second video I ever produced for my YouTube channel, and having looked at it the other day I was just cringing with embarrassment. The quality is just not there, and when you start a YouTube channel all the gurus tell you that your first 50 to 100 videos will be dreadful. So this is a revised version. So Creative Abstract Watercolor is currently number 5 in the Amazon.com bestseller list for watercolour books and number 1 on Amazon.co.uk. Within Kate's book we'll discover watercolour tips and tricks to enable us to create vibrant abstract art where we can experiment and have fun and play with colour and shape and texture. Kate shows us how to do this for a variety of projects, including simple shapes, stylised botanicals and expressive landscapes. And we'll also learn how to combine watercolour and embellishments. In the introduction, Kate tells us a little bit about herself, why she loves watercolour and what we can expect from her fabulous book. So what exactly is abstract art? For Kate, abstract art is a way to express herself by letting 6 essential elements, line, shape, form, colour, value and texture, do all the talking. And every design she creates springs from her imagination. Kate shares where she finds her inspiration, and on the left-hand page she showcases 2 beautiful examples of her work. One is an abstract underwater world inspired by concentric circles. The other is a pattern made up of bold blocks with a completely different colour palette. Kate shares that the world of materials felt like a bit of a minefield when she first began, but her advice is simple. All you really need is a small selection of watercolour paints, pad of paper, 1 or 2 brushes and a jar of water. She offers helpful tips on choosing paint, paper, brushes, masking supplies, as well as inks and pens. When writing her book, Kate knew she needed to cover colour, but rather than filling several pages with colour wheels and detailed theory, she's chosen a more personal approach. Instead, she walks you through her own favourite colour choices and how she uses them in her work, which includes her signature touch, a pop of metallic gold to add beautiful highlights. Kate's favourite colour of all is Payne's Grey. She uses it to deepen other colours, creating rich muted tones with a softness that traditional ivory black just can't match for her. And when used in varying strengths, it becomes a beautiful way to create subtle monochrome designs. On the right-hand page, Kate shows you just how many beautiful colours can be created using a simple combination of Payne's Grey, alizarin crimson and emerald green. It's a lovely example of how much versatility you can get from just a few well-chosen paints. Next, Kate introduces the techniques she uses most often in her work. She covers the basics like wet on wet, wet on dry and creating blooms, along with some of her favourite mark making methods. Take a look at the image on the bottom left. How pretty is that? And on the right hand page she's created a beautiful watercolour sampler showcasing the techniques and marks you'll explore in the projects throughout this book. Kate explains the fascinating effects you can achieve with the wet on wet technique using 3 simple methods: paint on water, water on paint and paint on paint. I think she's done a brilliant job illustrating each one clearly, with further examples on the right hand page that really help show the variety of effects that can be achieved. Water blooms, sometimes called cauliflowers, are often something watercolourists try to avoid, but Kate embraces them. She loves the soft organic effect they create. Just look at the delicate pattern on the bottom left. And on the right hand page she shows how even a simple circle and a few spots can lead to beautiful patterns. The wet on dry technique allows you to paint defined shapes over dry layers, keeping the colours separate and crisp. It's a lovely way to add detail and visual interest. Kate also includes a mini demonstration showing how to apply masking fluid, and with just a few carefully placed dots she creates delicate flowers scattered throughout a gentle painting of leaves. Across these 2 pages, Kate shows you how to paint simple organic shapes using nothing more than a quill brush. Using pens and inks, Kate transforms watercolour into mixed media and shows how even the simplest of marks can completely change a flat section of paint. Kate enjoys creating swatches of colours and different marks, and she encourages you to build your own personal swatch library. It's a lovely idea and a great way to fill a sketchbook, don't you think? On the right-hand page, she demonstrates how to apply masking tape to your paper to create a clean, crisp border. And now we arrive at the project section. There are 16 lovely projects for you to work through and enjoy. We begin with an experimental sampler, which Kate describes as a fabulous way to explore colour, shapes and textures. It's a simple project she's designed to boost your confidence. There's a beautiful photograph of the sampler Kate created, along with a clear list of materials you'll need. While Kate shares the colours she's used, she encourages you to choose your own if you prefer. Here you'll find clear step-by-step instructions on how to create the different shapes and add embellishments. Alongside, there's a fresh colour palette to spark your creativity and offer even more inspiration. The following projects all follow the same structure, so I'll allow you to enjoy these on your own, accompanied by some lovely music. I will join you at the end and conclude with my summary of Kate's wonderful book, and also describe where you can find out some more information about Kate and some further resources. So here we are at the end of Kate's lovely book. There's a little bit of information about Kate herself, and in the description below I've linked to all of her social media channels, including her website and Etsy shop. As far as I know, Kate doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she does run in-person workshops, and you'll find full details on her website. And if you're not able to attend a workshop in person, Diane Anton Studio has created several wonderful tutorials based on Kate's book over on YouTube, and I've linked to those as well. I think this is a wonderful book for anyone who loves watercolour, whether you're just starting out or you've been painting for years. It's perfect for those I don't know what to paint days, when you just want to relax, unwind and enjoy a bit of creative doodling. It's no surprise to me that Kate's book is a bestseller on Amazon, and I've added links below so you can pick up a copy for yourself. If you choose to use these links, I'll earn a small commission, and that really helps support my channel and allows me to keep creating more video book reviews for you. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. It really helps YouTube share it with others who enjoy art books too. I post a new art book review every week, so if you'd like to see more, do consider subscribing. I truly appreciate it. If you found the review helpful, please feel free to leave a comment below. I reply to everyone. And if there's an art book you'd like me to feature, just let me know. I'll do my best to review it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy painting.